Images from the deadly blizzard of 1888 are circulating on social media. That storm pummeled the Northeast with nearly 50 inches of snow 129 years ago. The storm lasted from March 11th to March 14th, claiming the lives of 400 people. Large snowdrifts shut down the transportation system, which meant no coal deliveries and no heat. According to the New York Times, the morning after the blizzard, snowdrifts in New York City reached up to the second stories of some buildings, to give you an idea of just how much snow they were dealing with there.
And remember, they didn't have the weather prediction technology we have today. Amazing.